Hello, this is Bo Kauffmann of REMAX in Winnipeg with your real estate tip for Wednesday, March 22nd, 2023. What is a special assessment? A special assessment relates to the Condominium Reserve Fund. When a condominium requires repairs, maintenance, or upgrades, and there isn't enough money in the reserve fund, additional funds have to be raised from all condo owners. The act of raising this additional money is called a special assessment. If it's a relatively small sum of money, for example, a few $100s, this special assessment is usually collected as a one-time payment. However, larger sums may require an ongoing monthly installment plan, which is then added to the owner's monthly condo fees. Are you interested in more in-depth real estate information? Download our free podcast app available for iOS and Android devices by going to bonos.homes/apps. That's bonos.homes/apps.